1 trip into a grocery store, 1 baby left in a locked car, 1 criminal charge. But was the law applied correctly? Was this a felony or a misdemeanor? And did officers have the legal right to enter that vehicle without consent?
Did you call? Just give me 1 second. Hey, buddy. Do you mind giving me a statement? Are you okay for now?
I'm upset, and I just don't want to controversy. This probably isn't going to go well. I'm probably going to be very upset with it.
Or I can even just grab a phone number. Did you give dispatch your phone number? Yeah, that's a baby. That definitely should not be in there. Absolutely not.
I mean, you can't do. I understand. I get it. I'm a mom. I get that you.
No, that's totally unacceptable. That's literally a baby.
Where are you?
No, that's literally a baby. That's okay. You gave dispatch your phone number, right? Okay. Do you mind if I take it? Just in case. There's literally a baby in the car by itself. Are you serious? No. They're getting cited, so. Probably wouldn't hurt.
You have the squad response. Due to the fact that the child's crying, you have no idea how long it's been there.
Of course.
Can you see it? I know, it's okay. How are you?
121.
You good? In service till 3 a.m.
You doing okay? We're just here to help you. I know, it's okay.
Hi, buddy. What's your name? What's your name? Huh? Assuming the owner won't answer the phone. Is the car
I'm gonna pull
running?
the
Okay. Hi, buddy. It's okay. You're okay.
Moments later, medics arrived and checked on the baby to make sure there were no medical concerns.
What's up? We have no idea how long this baby's been in here. By itself, obviously cold, I'm assuming, because he's shaking.
Okay. Is somebody in the store's looking for a parent?
He's looking up the picture now. Okay. Going in the store.
Hey, buddy. Hi.
What's going on? Hi.
What's up, man? Smells like weed. Obviously, the car's not running. It was locked. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Okay. I unbuckled him out of there.
Okay.
If you want.
With me? Come here.
I was gonna at least, you know what I mean? He looks cold. He looked cold.
It should come out of the base, but this is unlocked. Or you
I unlocked it. Windows were all cracked.
Father.
Car.
What's that?
Hey, something happened?
Is that your car?
Yeah, my son.
Oh, that's your son?
Yeah, I just came in.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
Hey, one time I got the father outside.
He was crying. I didn't have a quarter for the and I couldn't hold him.
131 radio. Well,
What's going on, man?
Hey,
How are you?
come on.
how old's your son?
He is about to be 2.
Well, your son's not in there right now.
We got him in the ambulance. He could have been kidnapped.
I mean, do you realize, like, you literally left a 1-year-old in the car, not running, windows open, it's 40 degrees outside?
Yes, I realized that.
No, it's pretty stupid is what it is, okay?
Yes, very stupid.
Yeah, I mean,
I was
like, you weren't in there. We've been here for at least 5 minutes.
I was
Yeah.
getting in a
No, we've been here for at least 5 minutes.
I was in a ring.
It's totally unacceptable.
No, it totally is. It totally
Okay.
is. It totally is.
I mean, what were you thinking?
I genuinely thought that because I was only getting a few items and I couldn't hold them.
Is the child's mother around?
She's up the street at work.
Where does she work?
She works. She's legal clinic, but she works at home right now.
You're misdemeanor side child.
No, they're checking him out right now. That's your biological son?
You guys have any other kids?
Just have this one only one.
I mean, you realize that's child endangerment and this we call social services, had your kid taken overnight. Like, this is a big deal. This isn't, I went in for a minute.
No, I'm not taking it like at all.
I mean, why did you leave it at home with mom?
Because she's at work and I was trying to help her
So,
today.
but you don't have a quarter to get a cart?
No,
Like, you can't carry your kid?
I went in the first time and came back and I couldn't do it. Because I donated the plasma, so my right arm is like my veins
Well,
are.
thanks for donating, but you don't have 25 cents to get back? You can't go ask for a change? Get a cart, put the kid in the cart, and then go shopping and get your quarter back?
No,
That just doesn't make sense.
it doesn't.
You got a $1,000 phone, an expensive car, like, this is bad.
Yes.
Like, your kid was literally shivering in the car seat. Like, you're out here wearing a winter jacket and a hoodie.
Yeah, when we first left, it was.
Dude, it is literally a kid. It is wintertime.
Yes, it's very.
Your windows are cracked. It's 40 degrees outside. He's 1 year old. I get he's wearing a jacket, but dude, like... Okay.
Your camera?
Yeah.
What's your phone number, sir? What's the child's name? Okay. All right, here's your copy. This is for child endangering. You have to appear in court December 3rd. Report will be on file, and Children and Family Services will be notified. Okay. Do you have any questions?
What is the children, family, child services? What is that?
Well, you're being charged with child endangering, so they're going to be notified of the situation. You can't leave a baby in the car.
Yeah, but what are they? So they're going to explain to me what they're going to do.
Yeah. They'll be in contact with you. All right. Also, quit smoking weed in the car.
Yeah, that is a baby. That definitely should not be in there. Absolutely not. Solon, Ohio. November 14, 2025. One shivering infant, alone in a locked car. Engine off. Temperature near 40 degrees. Ohio Revised Code, Section 2919. 22 defines child endangering as creating a substantial risk to the health or safety of a child under 18 by violating a duty of care. The Ohio Supreme Court in State v. Camel 1984 confirmed that actual injury is not required. Substantial risk alone satisfies the statute. We have no idea how long this baby in here by itself. Obviously cold. I am assuming because he is shaking. 4 documented facts establish the charge. Engine off. Windows slightly cracked. Temperature 40 degrees. Officers on scene at minimum 5 minutes before the father appeared. But you were not in there. We have been here for at least 5 minutes. The father offered a defense. No quarter for the shopping cart. Arm sore from donating plasma. Under section 2919(22). This argument fails at the first element. The statute does not require intent to harm. Parents' stated reason for leaving a child in a dangerous situation does not reduce or eliminate criminal liability under Ohio law. Officers used a lockout tool to enter the vehicle before the registered owner returned. Was this a Fourth Amendment violation? No, the emergency aid exception, established by the United States Supreme Court in Brigham City v. Stuart 2006, authorizes warrantless entry when there is an objectively reasonable basis to believe someone inside requires immediate assistance. Michigan v. Fisher 2009 reaffirmed this principle. The person in danger does not need to request help. The observable risk itself is sufficient legal basis to enter. A non-verbal infant who cannot exit the vehicle, cannot regulate body temperature, and cannot call for help is the exact scenario this constitutional exception was designed to address. Now, the most significant legal accuracy issue in this footage. One officer told the father the conduct was a felony offense. Realize that it is a felony offense to leave him in this heat. We could call social services. Have your kid taken overnight. This is a big deal. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2919(22). Division E, Paragraph 1. Violation without resulting serious physical harm is a misdemeanor of the first degree, not a felony. Felony of the third degree applies only when the child suffers serious physical harm as a result of the violation. The child here was medically cleared at the scene. The legal distinction carries real consequences. A first-degree misdemeanor in Ohio carries up to 180 days. A third-degree felony carries up to 36 months in prison. Misstating the charge level during a formal legal advisement is a procedural concern. Accurate legal language is the foundation of due process and informed consent. The Children and Family Services notification was not a matter of officer discretion. Ohio Revised Code Section 2151.421 classifies law enforcement as mandatory reporters. Well, you are being charged with child endangering, so they are going to be notified of the situation. You cannot leave a baby in the car. Upon reasonable cause to believe a child has been endangered, notification to Children's Services is a statutory obligation. Failure to report is itself a criminal violation under Ohio law. 3 legal lessons. Substantial risk requires no injury. Intent to harm is not an element of child endangering. No duration is legally too brief to create criminal liability under Section 2000. Best 919(22). Here is your copy. This is for child endangering. You have to appear in court December 3rd. Report will be on file and Children and Family Services will be notified. A citation was issued. A court date was set. Children's Services was notified. But the legal questions this case raises do not end with the citation. Did the court uphold the charge or reduce it? Did Children and Family Services open a formal case? Did this father retain custody of his son after December 3rd? And here is the deeper legal question. Ohio law applies the same statutory standard to a negligent parent and a willfully abusive one. Is that proportionate? Should a brief lapse in judgment carry the same criminal weight as deliberate neglect? Courts across Ohio have not always agreed on where that line is drawn. The statute is clear, the evidence is on camera, but what the court decided, and what it means for parental liability standards in Ohio, is the analysis that follows.